So guys, now So welcome back guys. So finally, we came just here for the shopping, and we were just waiting for our bus, and then I came to know like today in the like Konus there is one fair going on. So you can look behind me, there is like fair happening. So let's explore. Like this is my first time exploring the fair, like basically the मेला which is like जो इंडिया में होता है, हमारे इंडिया पाकिस्तान और कंट्रीज़ में मेले लगते हैं, तो उस हिसाब से यहाँ पे कुछ सीन चल रहा है अभी. So let's explore it, like actually see, because this is my first time seeing this stuffs here in Konus. So let's check this out. Basically this is the starting of that fair, I think so. People are going from this side, and let's see. Basically when I saw this Avenger thing, I got so much excited, like how they name this thing Avenger. Manoj, there is Captain America. Let's go. Let's see what's happening inside mostly. So you see there are peoples coming here. First when I saw like why there are so much peoples today, but then now I get to know why there are so much peoples here today. So my favorite character. I forgot his name, but he handles all Avengers. Hulk, basically. Wow. So I think here you can get the tickets from. You can see my favorite character, Iron Man from Avengers, and basically here you can get the tickets. And this is not actually giant wheel, but it's a kind of a giant wheel. And I think this is a similar sports like India. You have to throw the ball. It's not a professional player, but good try. He's a good trier, He does have this thing. Got chocolates. So guys, as you can see, there are so much of games like our countries here also. People are happy mostly. So let's see, there are some shops there also near the Konus Castle. So now we are heading towards there. Let's go and see actually what they have there most of times. We were about to have a bus like after 1 hour, so we thought, okay, let's go and see the Konus Castle thing. Then I came to know about this. Okay, so there is something happening. I was also not sure. Yeah, something is going on, and we are having no idea about it. Like we just came here for shopping. So that we just came here for the shopping, like grocery shopping mostly. And then I came to know, okay, there's something happening here. So let's go. So guys, you can see how people are there. They're going back, but you can see how crowd actually is. Like this is the first time here in Konus, Lithuania. I'm seeing so much people here. So guys, as you can see, there are so much people here. So guys, I just came across this thing, and maybe like next 2 years, in the next 2 years, I'm going to buy one of these cars. So do subscribe my channel so that I can get some good amount of money from YouTube, so that I can fulfill my dreams, Like I really wanted to buy cars here in Lithuania. So do subscribe the channel and share with your friends.
Gerai, ką mes toliau turime? Toliau turime mūsų programai.
So guys, now we're just walking in this fair which is happening here, and it's like similar to our countries, but there are less people, there are less soil in the air. That's just the difference. And otherwise there were like similar things, like all the stalls where you can eat the food or actually play there, like for the children mostly, because most of sports here are for the children, and it's not for everyone, but you can enjoy the food, bonus food mostly. You want to try? You want to try, Manoj? No? It's like if you hang there for like 2 minutes, you're gonna get 50 euros. You just have to pay 5 euros as I can read, because I know a little bit of, not Lithuanian, but just a common sense, and I just figured it out. So it's like that. If you pay like the 5 euros participation fee, for 2 minutes you have to hang there and you will get 50 euros. Wow. You see?
Bro, you want to try that?
I don't have 5 euros exactly, bro. Punching machine.
I can give you.
I don't know, bro, if I will. 2 minutes is too long. My favorite bird, parrot. What they do? Manoj, can you translate? Take a picture with parrot.
Yeah. For that you.
Some kind of what is this, concert? Yeah. Now here there is some kind of concert going on, musical concert. So let's see. I'm going closer to it now, and let's see actually, because they are singing Lithuanian, so I'm not basically understanding anything. But there are so much people, so I'm just going closer to see actually who those singers are, and. Let's say I have my bus in like the next 30 minutes, so I will try to wrap this vlog soon, and we're gonna go back actually. So I'm just gonna wrap it everything, and so there are so much people playing with these are bubbles, right? Water bubbles are creating, and was a fun, like those singers were from bonus one. I asked her name, it was complicated for me, so now we are going back. So now we are heading backward. Let's see if we can see some more stores on the way, and we are just going back, so let's go. I was planning to eat something, but you know, I don't have right now any money because I already spent on shopping. I wanted to try some foods which are here, but I cannot. So we are just heading towards our bus stop and we will go back. It was really fun. Like we really don't know actually like this thing is happening here in Kaunas, but it was like by grace of the God, like we came to know and we explored this stuff. Like after coming to Kaunas, I never seen this much people here. I think half of the Kaunas is present here. But yeah, like this, there are so much people. Like now I am thinking like I'm back in India, you know, like I never seen this much people here mostly. So
in India we can only see people in for festival.
We just
like in here I don't know. It's a kind of festival or not.
It's I don't know what actually happened, but it's kind of a fair actually. So and it's actually summer going on, so most people are outside. So we have to come outside regularly. Most of the time I used to be in our dorm, like sitting in front of the computer doing assignments. But now I should start moving. But maybe in July month I'm going to India. So after coming like next year, I will try to be outside more, make some more vlogs. So you know, you see these are some of the stalls everywhere present here. Like you can try foods like India, like we do in Indians. So and they have tables and other stuffs to sit, so you can just sit here and have the food. Like it's similar to what happening most of the time, but just different country, different food, you know. And yeah, it's like that. So now we are going back to the bus stop. I'm gonna show you all the stores mostly, like which are here, what they're selling. So these are there are so much lot of people, you know. I forgot how to actually walk with this much people. Like I have to find my way in between them, because after coming here, like I have never seen this much people at once. So my brain is like quite confused, like from where to go. We can go from there. So these are the stores mostly. We came from that side, now we are going from this side just to see what they are selling. So they are selling so much of new stuffs like jewelry and other things. So maybe if I was going to India, but since I don't have any money now, otherwise I should have bought something for my family, but right now I don't have any money to buy. So we are just exploring these stuffs, and mostly this side there are jewelry. Pokemon Pikachu. So guys, now we are just walking backwards to our bus stop, and we are just exploring all the things which are here. Well, I know we are not buying anything, but we are just exploring the stuff which they sell here. There's quite a lot of people here. This is the things which I want really to buy. Maybe next time I will buy these stuffs. And now we are heading. I don't know whether they will allow us. Whoa. So guys, now we are going back to our bus stop to catch the bus. As you can see, there is everything happening here, and so much crowd were there. I showed you everything, like how actually these things are happening here in Lithuania. So now I'm back to catch my bus, and we'll go to our dorm, make dinner, and do the assignments, because that's why we are here, like for mostly to the studies thing. Okay, if you really enjoyed the video, just do subscribe the channel